Hi guys, hope everyone is doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make all the fields mandatory by changing one field. For that one, I am going to open an incident table. I am giving a comment like incident.list so that it will open incident table in different tab. I am going to open the another incident record. So let's open the incident record. Here we can see, as we can see, all the fields are non-mandatory. Some of fields are mandatory. So what I'm going to show you is if we make any changes, then it will, by making that changes, that change should make all the fields mandatory, which is there in the form. For that one, I have already written one script on change client script. On the category field, I am going to show you how it will work. So suppose I have written on the network choice value on the category field. So if I select network, the rest of the fields which are there in this form will become mandatory. I will show you. If I click this one, you can see all the fields became mandatory. This is what I am going to show you. For that one, we need to write some on-change client script. I will show you that client script. Let me give me a moment. I will open the client scripts. Here you can see how I have written the client script. Let me open the client script record. Here it is opening. Here you can see I have written it as a on change client script and field name is category. So here is the script. I am taking just value. What is the new value? After then, this is a gform method, which is useful for glide user form, and it is the function get editable fields. After then, I am recurring all the fields which are there on the form, and I am making all the fields as mandatory. This is how we can make all the fields mandatory by changing one value in the field. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments. I will be happy to explain. Thanks. Thank you.